As this series is going on, I've been thinking about my skincare routine during my teen years too. Well, to be honest, there wasn't much of a skincare routine. I never really had someone like me guiding me through that confusing time in my life. Let's pretend like that sentence was not dripping with confusion and continue to what this video actually is. How to build the perfect teen skincare routine with affordable product recommendations. Starting with cleansers, I used to have the Himalaya Neem face wash, and since my skin used to be oilier back then, this was perfect. Since then, I've done some serious thinking about face washes in general, especially for teen skin that tends to be oily and acne prone. I believe there is a perfect holy grail face wash out there for you, and it's the Derma Co AHA BHA Foaming Cleanser. If you don't have salicylic acid, don't try to come for me or my acne prone skin. And it just so happens our dear Deep Clean face wash here has salicylic acid along with other acne fighting ingredients as its main heroes. This definitely is Glamorous approved. I've said this before and I'll say it again. Toner is not an essential product. If you want to use toner on your normal to dry skin just because you're feeling the skincare routine fantasy, you can probably skip this step. Now, for the oily skinned gals and the troubled by acne gals, yes, a toner would probably do you some good as it does give your pores a thorough cleansing. If large pores are your concern, I'd say go for cucumber based toners for their shrinking properties. Green tea toners are antibacterial, making them a great choice for acne-prone skin. The best part is you can make both of these at home. Mix equal parts cucumber juice or green tea and water and use. You can store it in a spray bottle for around 2 weeks. Everybody needs a moisturizer, trust me. Even if you have extremely oily skin, don't skip this step. Instead, invest in an oil-free or gel moisturizer, which are generally great for unpredictable teen skin. Go for the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil-Free Moisturizer. This contains hyaluronic acid, so it'll make sure your skin stays hydrated but never greasy. You can apply this in the morning and night. You don't need a separate night moisturizer in your teen years. Since this moisturizer is basically a boost of hyaluronic acid, it can double as an eye cream too. You can add in a vitamin E capsule for the eyes, but that's completely optional. Really? We're back here? Having this same conversation? Yes guys, sunscreen is still as important as it always was. Even when you're sitting at home in your pajamas all day. It's okay, we've all been there. The light from windows, screens and other lights can bother your skin too. And especially for everyone that's worried about pigmentation and dark spots, you know what's causing it, right? Melanin darkening. Sunscreen will protect your skin from discoloration at all costs. So make sure you have the Lotus Herbals Safe Sun Gel-Based Sunscreen in your skincare kit. The best part is it dries matte and never greases up. Am I the only one who just loves doing my skincare routine and looking at myself in the mirror for hours at end? No? Just me and my vanity then. The entire routine of applying a face mask is so precious. This is exactly why I chose the Kaya Charcoal and Tea Tree Mattifying Peel Off Face Mask. It's the perfect peel off charcoal mask out there for oily and acne prone skin. It detoxes your skin and helps you fight off acne. What else could you possibly need? So with this, I've created the perfect teen skincare routine with all products under 500 rupees. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.